Bingo Cash lets eligible players enter certain tournaments using bonus funds without making a cash deposit, but those bonus funds aren't automatically the same as withdrawable cash. By the end, you'll know 5 bingo apps worth checking for no deposit play, how their free offers work, and what to verify before expecting a cash withdrawal. Bingo Cash takes the top spot because it separates bonus funds from withdrawable cash. That distinction matters because you can play promotional or bonus-based games without depositing your own money, but the bonus balance may have different withdrawal rules from cash you actually win. Wait. Bingo Clash comes next. The app offers free gameplay alongside competitive cash tournaments. You can start with the free option, instead of immediately paying an entry fee, while cash matches are available only to eligible players and locations. Check the tournament lobby before assuming real money games are available where you live. Blackout Bingo ranks 3rd. It uses a speed-based bingo format where you mark numbers as they appear. The app includes free games and promotional rewards, while paid tournaments can offer real money prizes. No deposit play doesn't mean every prize is immediately withdrawable, so check the promotion's terms before spending time chasing a bonus. Bingo Tour takes 4th place. It's an Avia Games title that combines bingo with power-ups and competitive events. You can play its free content without making a cash deposit, while cash competitions depend on eligibility. If you're specifically looking for withdrawable money, check the current tournament and withdrawal screens rather than relying on the free play balance. Bingo Arena rounds out the list. It offers competitive bingo formats, including one-on-one matches and tournaments. Its free play options can let you try the game before committing money, but real money competitions have their own eligibility and entry requirements. There's a big difference between no depositing and no conditions. A no deposit bonus can come with restrictions on which games you can play, how winnings are calculated, or when funds become eligible for withdrawal. Some apps also require identity verification before processing a cash out. So before you spend time on any of these apps, open the rewards or withdrawal section first. Check whether the current offer requires a deposit, whether the bonus itself can be withdrawn, and whether PayPal or another supported payment method is available in your location. The 5 apps to check are Bingo Cash, Bingo Clash, Blackout Bingo, Bingo Tour, and Bingo Arena. If you want to play without depositing your own money, start with the free or bonus mode, and don't enter a paid tournament until you've confirmed the withdrawal rules. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more real money app rankings.